Now we're going to install our Braille font on our computer so we can utilize it in Word to make our tactile graphics. I've provided you with a website where you can download the fonts necessary. Download those fonts, save them in a folder on your computer somewhere so you can access them in one moment. Go to Start, Settings, Personalization, Fonts. You can go that way, or you can go here and type in Fonts, and we'll take you directly to your font settings. Go to your folder where you've saved your Braille fonts, click and drag here, click and drag here. It's just as simple as that. You should then be able to open up Word and have your Braille fonts already installed. If they are not in Word, try shutting down Word. If they are still not in Word, try shutting down and restarting your computer. Sometimes you need to reset things in order to have them come up into Word.